What have you got here?
Some singing fish.
Okay, tell me about it.
Here's Jingle Bells.
Okay.
Here's Travis.
Slow down. Okay.
Take me to the river.
Okay.
Charles. Simon the catfish. Another take me to the river. And another take me to the river.
Okay. So, back here with this first one, what's his name?
Big Muff Billy Bass.
And it's
Sings for the holidays.
okay.
He sings Jingle Bells and Up in my And he'll try to try. He sings Do I Did It in Rock and Boat.
Okay.
This one sings Take Me to the River.
Okay.
Here's another Big Muff Billy Bass. Sings Take Me to the River and Don't Worry Be Happy. This one sings It plays the Jaws movie theme and sings Mac the Knife.
Okay.
So this one sings Mac the Knife.
Okay.
Jaws sings Mac the Knife.
Okay.
It sings Back bone, two pieces of it and talks.
Okay.
It sings Take Me to the River, Don't Worry Be Happy. This sings Take Me to the River, Don't Worry Be Happy.
And why do you have two of those?
Actually, I have three of them.
Okay, well why do you have those two right there?
Because I got this one, then this one.
Okay. Are you going to keep both of them?
No. I'm going to keep this one.
Okay.
I'm going to take that one back.
Well, why do you want to keep the one you're going to keep? Why do you want to keep that one?
Because it has a picture on his box.
Oh, okay.
But I cut it off.
Okay. And the other one didn't have a picture on its box.
Yeah, what?
Why not? It was what kind of...
It was on display.
Oh, okay. So the ones on display didn't have a picture on the box. They were open so people could test them. Is that right?
Yes, no.
Catfish isn't moving. Christopher, the catfish isn't moving. Okay, get Travis going. Okay, get the... catfish.
We might say his tail is supposed to be moving now, but why isn't it moving?
Because I damaged it.
Hmm. This saw.
They're different colors.
Okay. Slightly different colors. Okay.
There. to draw a picture of his blue body. And then I'm patting on the head.
Okay. And Christopher is 5 years old now.
Right. His head part isn't right. Something is wing.
Okay.
I'll come back over here and do the second wing we have. That.
Okay. What?
I had to get my hand come.
Okay.
Okay. I'll come back and do the feet.
Okay.
And his feet. That's his bottom thing.
That's his what?
That's his bottom one. Heel.
Bottom what?
That's this one down here is his moving mouth thing.
Okay. What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna start with this,
What's this?
the tummy part,
And what are you doing?
and I'm going to color this.
Okay. Leave room for the white part down there. Below. Okay?
Now for the eyes and beak.
Okay.
There. How does the bow look?
I think he looks very good.
This foot out here is like this. This.
Okay.
Now for this. Hi.
How are you doing?
Fine.
That's your finished drawing
Yes.
and coloring? Okay, just to look at. Okay.
You showed the picture and the original bow. Now I will. From the back of the vitamin and the blue bowl, they look more sensitive father than the robins.
Go.
What can a tree top